Deep within, a network connects all. Your river of life, the vagus nerve. Chronic stress creates dissonance, a constant state of high alert. The body forgets how to rest. This is an invitation to return. Find a quiet space. Allow your body to feel heavy. Relax your jaw. Soften your shoulders. You are safe here. Breathe in deeply through the nose. Feel the air fill your lungs. Hold for a moment. Now, breathe out slowly. Let it all go with the breath. Release the tension you are holding.
Fear and guilt are stored energy. They live in the body. Give yourself permission to release them. They no longer serve you.
You are returning to your natural state. Calm, centered. Rest here for as long as you need.